Hi, I'm Mark, a notary public myself, an owner of a national signing service, and a loan signing agent educator. And I'm here with my tip of the week. My tip of the week is you always want to use a blue pen unless otherwise instructed. If your lender's instructions or your instructions from escrow do not clarify what color you should be using or having the borrower use is what I should say, and you always want to use the blue pen. Why? It helps everyone understand the difference between original and a copy. Understanding the back end of this process will help you understand why blue is so important. There are so many copies that are made of the loan docs that you're signing, and so helping the escrow officer or title officer know what an original signature is by using blue. So you always want to try to use blue to help out the escrow or title officer as they're making copies in the background of documents. They don't need to search. I've literally been in escrow offices where they're staring at the piece of paper like, is this an original signature? I swear. But you are an educated signing agent, so help the escrow officer or title officer by having the borrower sign in blue. Again, this is not in lieu of lender's instructions. If something says sign in black, then sign in black. But if you get no specific instruction on what color the signing should happen in, then you should always use blue. I'm hoping this will help. Follow my page for any tips or tricks just like this.